Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a love show, chapter 74. So here it is. Let's read the story. Whether to forgive or not depends on your performance. Emptiness is a form. Well, Tao Tao thinks about this. Besides, well, she was still hesitating if she was going to forgive Suman. Well, for Suman, she moved closer to her and said, "What else? You can say anything." Well, this girl, she's getting tricky. And Tao Tao, right now, she's being distracted by the clothes of her. Move your eyes down. Well, she can see that. It was really disturbing her. Well, if I'm guilty, you can punish me by law, but don't use these vicious means. Well, you can put on your clothes first, Tata said to Suman. Well, after saying that, Suman suddenly, she will change her clothes. Well, Suman, what else? Tao, she was still not staring at hers. Probably, she got really distracted. I will arrange my own acting career. If there is anything I don't understand or want to ask you, I will take you. Well, it seems that Suman, she really want to get closer to her again. But Tao, you can interfere through Sister Ye. Don't treat me like a kid who knows nothing and learn to respect me. Tao said to Suman. Well, after hearing her, Suman at this moment said to her, "Okay, good," but looking at her face, it seems to be she is trying to please her. But besides, I'm still angry, but how and when I calm down depends on my mood. Tao said to Suman, so it turns out she's not been forgiven. But one day, everything is not equal. Well, Suman said to her, "Good." Still, she keeps staring on Tao. Tao, she was looking at Suman. "I will listen to whatever is said. Is there anything else, Tao?" Suman, she was squatting down. Tao said to her, "No, no more." But still, her face, she was blushing. "That's good. But Tao, the floor is so hard. It's so cold at night. Can you really prefer to let me sleep on the floor?" So it turns out she really want to coax her again. Looking at Tao, this trick again. Well, she know to herself that Suman, she can always be tricky. How can I not bear it? Anyway, I have a soft bed to sleep on. Now, you can bear it just like when we were on the islands and you rolled my arms because you were scared. I didn't push you away and you don't push me away, right? Now, Suman, she is trying to coax her. And when you touched me just now, did you think that of pushing me away? Well, it seems that Tao, is she going to get tricked again? Well, she keeps staring on Suman. She was coughing. Probably she's out of it about this. Well, let's see on what she's going to do. Is she going to fall down on Suman's wig? Well, where did I touch you just now? Suman. She's trying to coax Tao, but Tao, of course, she keep avoiding her. Well, let's see. Your hand, Jess. It was still on my waist. How could you forget it so quickly? Do you want it to recall it? Suman said to Tao. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. Or try someone else. Well, it seems that Suman, she was going to trick her. What is she trying to say? It means that she's going to be touched by the others. Well, this girl, she know how to trick Tao. Well, Tao, she kept thinking about it. Elsewhere, well, could it be that the waist, dimples, abdominal muscles, coccyx, butterfly bone, ribs, and more head? I want to touch them all. Suman said to her. Well, she's getting tricky. Oh, Suman said to her. Do you remember Tao? Well, this girl, she always wanted to trick her, but also she always wanted to coax her. But Tao seems that right now she was blushing. After hearing what Suman's trying to say to her, look at her, her face. Suddenly, it was turning red. And it kept her to be acting like that. I'm just doing good things. Don't distort my behavior. Tautau said to Suman. Well, she was covering herself the blankets so Suman can really afford to get closer on hers. I'm going to sleep. From now on, you don't have to say a word. Suman, she was staring at Tautau. Well, it means that she's being allowed to sleep beside her. I'm so tired. Is this the power of succubus just resisting the temptation of use of all of my strength? Well, Tao, it seems that Shirley can sleep this time. It was the next day. It's early morning and all of them are needed to go on the taping. Well, it looks like Suman. She looks really fresh. But for Tao, it seems that she has a lack of sleep last night. Could it be that she is not falling asleep this full time and kept thinking about Suman itself? Didn't you get enough rest last night? You have dark circles under your eyes, her friend said to her, but we knows that roughly she kept thinking about Suman. Don't say anything, Miss Steph, can lead to eternal regret. Suman and I didn't do anything to intimidate others. What activities today? Why do you ask us to change our clothes so early in the morning? Well, did you read the mission card? Her friends said to her, but it seems that today it was really a proper show. At the same time, we should do activities of worshiping teachers and doing dancing. Guests who are already alone can stay in cabin and make their own arrangement, or the program team has 5 minutes of recording rights. Wow, this gimmick is really attractive enough. Well, that's what I think. It seems that it was really not too hard. When the time comes, I will go directly to apply for a job, and all the jobs of roles will become to me immediately. Suman, she's trying to reach her. Well, it seems that Tao, she noticed that Suman keeps staring on hers. Then, join our team. There's a strength in numbers. Well, could it be that she will let her? But suddenly, Tao, just to avoid her, she cling on her friend. Well, her friend knows that this girl, she only want to hide from her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.